tahimik pa dito ngayon. Pero kahapon marami ng tao dito kahapon. Pagdating namin, secured yung yung syudad ngayon. Yeah, kahit saan ka makakita ng mga klase-klaseng mga law enforcement. May nakita ako kahapon mga FBI, may nakita ako kahapon mga DEA. Yeah. Yung home court ng Atlanta Hawks. Iconic franchise player ng Atlanta Hawks, guys, si Dominic Wilkins. One of the greatest dunkers. Okay, guys, so today is Saturday. Is this Sunday? Yeah, today is Sunday, June 28. So we're just walking.
363 days left of the
Yeah, today or last June 26, it was my son's birthday. June 26, Terrence's birthday, 13th birthday. So he asked
13 months.
He asked us to come here just to see what's going around here dito sa Atlanta. Kasi nga dito ang Atlanta is the one of the hosting cities dito sa US. So ito lang yung pinaka malapit sa amin. It's only a 5-hour drive from North Carolina. And makakarating na kayo dito sa Atlanta. And nandito kami, guys, sa Mercedes-Benz Stadium. Or tinatawag nilang Atlanta Stadium today. Or only for the World Cup. Kasi yung Mercedes-Benz hindi sila sponsor ng FIFA. So tinanggal muna yung pangalan nila. Right, so let's go. We'll try to go to dyan sa harap ng stadium kung pwede tayo makapasok kasi today uwi na kami. It's another 5 hours drive going back to Carolina, and yeah, baka parang may ano pa kami, may shoot, FIFA store. You think we can go there? Yeah. Baka may ano pa kami mamaya, may ang tawag nito, may dadaanan pa kami mamaya. Sorry. That's how he celebrates. Here, Mo, look at it, bro. Look at that. Zip code?
Yeah.
There's another Lamine Yamal picture there.
Yes.
Yeah. Let's go. Kami lang tatlo, guys. Kami lang tatlo, mga boys. Lalakad-lakad today kasi yung mom nila nagpaiwan doon sa hotel kasi ayaw maglakad papunta dito. Saka mainit pati. Yeah. Babalik lang din naman kami. Titignan lang namin kung anong meron dito, kung pwede pa kaming makalapit doon sa stadium and walk around and take pictures, like maybe different angles of the stadium.
Yeah, so that's the Mercedes-Benz logo.
This is what they covered.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's the Mercedes-Benz logo. So tinabunan ng FIFA logo. Yeah, guys, so hanggang dito lang kami, guys. Yang dito. Ayan yung parang dito, may mga parking lot. Ang laki! Isa sa mga pinakamagandang stadium na ano na pinaglalaroan ng FIFA. Yeah. Go back sa ano, kay nagulat sa mama and we take pictures of that ball. Yeah. That was night time. Tahimik pa dito ngayon. Pero kahapon marami ng tao dito kahapon. Pagdating namin, dating kami dito mga 3 o'clock nandito kami. Ang daming tao dito naglalakad. Either going that way or going this way. It's Atlanta, guys. Yeah, sabi sa akin nung may Filipino doon sa sa Korean restaurant na nagtatrabaho. Ano daw? Medyo delikado daw dito sa gabi. Pag walang mga event na katulad ng FIFA ngayon lang kasi secured yung yung syudad ngayon. Yeah, kahit saan ka makakita ng mga klase-klaseng mga law enforcement. May nakita ako kahapon mga FBI, may nakita ako kahapon mga DEA. Yan, saka iba pa, mga pulis. For MLS?
Yeah.
Less than 100? Oh, let's go back. Just me and you can drive here. 5 hours. We'll leave that here in Chelsea in the neighbors.
No, but like, Mama wants to work on the 29th.
Yeah.
That's where the MLS All-Star game is, and I want to see
Oh
Muller.
yeah.
What
Oh
if we just
yeah.
leave beer in Chelsea to Bryson?
We'll see what we can do.
Because tickets for the supporters side, 56 each ticket.
56
1,000.
supporters.
Yeah.
So how will they know if you're a supporter?
Well, if you want to support them, like the MLS, you can.
Ah, okay. Init na ulo nitong ulit ko, guys. Ang init-init na nga ng panahon, mainit pa ulo nito, guys. So, yeah, babalik na kami dun sa hotel. Magpapapicture lang kami dito sa may bola. Yan yung malaking building na yan, no? Signia Hilton by Signia. Signia by Hilton. Yan, may malaking picture ng Coca-Cola sa glass niya. Parang 3D. Yeah, kasi isa yung Coca-Cola sa sponsors. Yeah, kahit saan ka magtingin-tingin dito, guys, napaka marami puro pipa. Oh, so ito yung railroad nila. Oh, this is the railway pier or the subway. Yeah, guys. Yeah, subway nila.
Oh, is this what I hear every
Yeah,
day
the
from
train. Gee, I'm like, where is that train? Oh, dito lang pala. Oh, what's that? Oh, what's that?
Right there.
What are you doing, Pierre? Ayo, that Pierre. Oh my
Every time I
gosh.
take a video, beer's randomly in.
So, kagabi, hindi ko napatuloy yung video ko dito kagabi, guys, kasi dumiretso na kami doon, pauwi ng ng hotel. Yeah, yung hotel pala namin, guys, nasa likod lang nitong State Farm Arena. Yeah. So nilakad lang namin dito kagabi kasi ako'y naiibak na. So kaya nakakapaglakad-lakad kami dito banda, guys, around the circle. Yeah, kasi nandyan lang State Farm Arena. Yeah, at saka ito yung Mercedes-Benz Stadium na malapit lang. And yeah, basically downtown na talaga ito, guys. Downtown Atlanta. Yan. Malaki din tong downtown nila, guys, kasi meron pa doon yung mga yung mga karamihan ng mga buildings doon sa kabila. Today, guys, after this, yeah, pupunta kami doon sa kaisa-isang Tim Hortons store dito or Tim Hortons restaurant dito sa Atlanta. Hindi ko pa nakita, hindi ko pa napuntahan, pero malapit lang dito lang sa unahan, few blocks away. Yeah, guys, so dito naman tayo sa State Farm Arena. Tingnan natin anong meron dito. Yeah, pagkakaalam ko merong dito, concert si Shakira mamayang gabi.
Die. Dito.
June 28 yung concert niya dito mamayang gabi. Parang nakita namin siya doon kanina sa kabilang hotel na sumasakay ng yung parang celebrity bus. Yeah, kasi nga mga celebrity yung mga yan, guys. Oh, ito yung home court ng Atlanta Hawks. Atlanta Hawks. Cox. Simbolo to Atlanta. Yeah, yeah, para nakasulat din na Atlanta.
I think like Atlanta FC's. Oh yeah.
Yeah, so ito yung guys yung naging iconic franchise player ng Atlanta Hawks guys, si Dominic Wilkins. One of the greatest dunkers. Nice. So yeah, ito yung naging record niya guys. Oh, may jersey retirement pa pala siya dito guys. Naismith, Atlanta Hawks all-time leading scorer. 9-time NBA All-Star and 2-time NBA Slam Dunk.
Oh, so
Yeah, I think one of these 2 times, I think he beat Michael Jordan with those. I don't know.
So you can't be number 21 anymore?
Yeah. Yeah. He's the all-time score leader because yeah, because no player that lasts long here after him. Nice guys. Yeah guys, so State Farm Arena guys. Kung may Michael Jordan dun sa United Center, may Dominic Wilkins dito sa State Farm Arena. Atlanta Hawks home court. Yeah, ito lang yung pailan-ilan na mapupuntahan dito sa Atlanta guys. And yeah, marami pang mapupuntahan dito pero awan ko lang, tingnan natin kung ano pa mapuntahan natin mamaya. He's tired. Hindi sanay maglakad-lakad. Yeah guys, so yan na lang yung hotel namin guys. Andun lang yung arena at ang hotel. Yeah, tahimik pa dito ngayon guys. Today walang laro dito sa... There's no game here in Atlanta today, right?
No.
No? Tomorrow only?
July 1.
Yeah.
It's a round of 32.
Oh, because the security guard in the fan festival is, like she said, that it will be open tomorrow. I thought there will be a game tomorrow. Yeah.
There's Canada versus South Africa today.
Oh, in where? Vancouver?
No, Los Angeles.
Yeah guys, so patapos na kami sa aming walk around guys. The boys walk around pero itong isa nagre-reklamo na sa init. Napapagod na. So galing dito, magbe-breakfast na lang kami sa Tim Hortons. And we'll see you there. Welcome back. Welcome back guys. Okay, naman ko na siya sa Tim Hortons. Nagdaghapol ka na sa Canada. We're here! Tim Hortons. The only Tim Hortons in Atlanta guys. Pinakalayo nga Tim Hortons sa tanan. Coffee. Coffee and bakery. Oh, more nila Tim Hortons day. Look at that. No. Takis. Lots of takis. Yeah, but you have to buy that. Yes. What? No. That's Ronaldo. Nice, may mga ano dito guys. Decals. Ah. Brace it.
Closest I could get from this thing in World Cup.
Yeah.
Like,
Oh, they are like sponsors here. Bottle opener, $7.99 din. Ay, magkano to? Unan, $14.99. Oh, yeah. Hindi din eh. Yeah. Wala. Okay. Panini stickers.